Hey all, how you all have been? So today's video is all about my chili fish recipe which I will be cooking right now, and there are lots more fun in the evening. So stay tuned with me. Come, let's see how I do it.
Due to migraine, Joy cannot have Chinese. Hence, I'm preparing Chinese after a long time, so wanted to share with all of you how do I prepare this chili fish recipe. Though Chinese is my all-time favorite. We do not like chili fish with a thick coating. Hence, I'm preparing a thin coating for the chili fish with salt, black pepper, little water, and corn flour. For the veg lovers, you can try the same recipe using a cauliflower, or you can try doing it using chili potatoes also and chili paneer as well. For the veg lovers, you can prepare this recipe using cauliflower, potatoes, and paneer. For paneer and cauliflower, you require the coating, and for potatoes, you do not require. Now, it depends whether you want a thick coating or a thin coating. As per your choice, you can try it. Every time I go out with my mom, it reminds me about my childhood. So every time I have the same excitement when I go with mom. So just because today we are going out, so I'm very, very excited about it as usual. We both, me and mom, enjoy each other's company a lot. And I'm sure, same like us, there are many daughters and mothers there who are very close to each other and they both like their company and enjoy their company a lot. Whenever I and mom sit together and gossip, we believe that 24 hours is also less for us to talk. And this is the beauty of the mother and the daughter relationship, which is very pure and extremely enjoying because whatever I want, I can tell my mom, but I know that she will still love me. This is a big satisfaction that works in the mind, and we take our parents for granted because of this. And that's why they are the closest people to us. Chinese are simple to prepare, but they are very tasty. It gives me immense satisfaction whenever I cook and present my cooking. I feel, my cooking is successful because I can share the recipe with all of you. I'm always a foodie and always been a foodie. But now when I share the recipes with all of you, it gives me immense satisfaction. Few days before, I prepared a dal recipe for my mother because she cannot have all this Chinese food due to her health issues. She was so happy that she told me, "You are a better cook than me." And nothing can be bigger than this. This was one of the biggest compliment I ever had in my cooking, and that made my day. In a Chinese recipe, the taste enhances with the red and the yellow bell pepper, and also the green bell pepper definitely. But I will always prefer with the green, the red, and the yellow bell pepper. If any one of you is a Chinese lover, please write down in the comment box what recipes you want me to share, and I will definitely try to share all of them. I don't prefer adding salt in this recipe, but it is optional. If you all want to add salt after adding the sauce in the recipe, you can definitely go for it. It all depends on your taste, so salt is optional in this recipe. You all can also use the chili sauce because I don't want the recipe to be too much spicy, so I'm not using it here. After adding sauce in this recipe, I'll cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. And at the end, I will put corn flour in this recipe because corn flour enhances the taste in Chinese recipe. Now, as you all can see, it's almost ready and the dish is ready to serve.
In Palladium right now, today we have come here to take mom's specs, which we have, ordered the last day.
Palladium is always full of life. So whenever I come here, I feel very happy.
We are going in the Titan Eye right now to take her specs. I've showed you all the other parts of Palladium, but this is the another mall which is also attached to the Palladium mall.
I'm so excited that I'll finally see mom with her new specs. The store has got loveliest collection of specs, and mom has chose one from here. And the best part is whenever you buy specs from them, when the final specs is delivered, they will open a book and they will, ask you to read it to test how better you can see the alphabets. So, which is very good. And also, mom is very happy after wearing her new specs, as you all can see her smiling here.
So I'm going towards the Starbucks now.
Mom and me wanted to sit somewhere and spend a good time. What can be a better place than Starbucks? Chit chatting with a cup of coffee is one of our most favorite time pass, which we love to do always.
So I'll show you all what we are having today in Starbucks. So we reached home right now. Today I'll end the vlog here. Until next, me Polemy signing off from Welcome to My World. Bye.